Look at this, black mustard, broccoli. So this is the flowers. They're nice and yellow when they come out. You can see them starting to form here. If you get the tips when they're nice and tender like this, they're absolutely delicious, like peppery, kind of purple sprouting broccoli. Got a few with the leaf on as well. Look at that, perfect little snail there. There you go, look, that's a perfect example of the flower, and I'm going to take those as well. So if you think about it, really, broccoli is just a flower, isn't it, before it opens, or purple sprouting. So if you were to leave it, it would eventually go to flower. So this is what I've got, mustard broccoli. Broccoli's in the mustard family anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's it. So broccoli and the flowers equals delicious. Oh, it's a snail. Only joking. That is absolutely delicious. I like it just like that, to be honest. That is absolute perfection. Look at that, you'd pay a fortune for that in the shop.
Yeah, it's disgusting, it's burning my throat.
Just a little warning, these are super spicy raw. I got excited in that 3 or 4 because they start off sweet, but then that mustard pepperiness kicks in, and it's like chewing tear gas basically, or kind of snorting a line of white pepper.